Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, you have left me a question. What do I think of ester-based oils or ester-based additives? Before using an ester-based additive, I would use an oil that already had that base, the ester base, but well, what properties do they have that other bases, other oils do not have? Well, these have polar molecules in their composition. What is this? They are molecules that have electrical charges of different polarity with which they attract each other. What is this good for? That they attract each other is good for, when they evaporate they resist temperatures more, let's say, they resist higher temperatures than other oils, because, as I say, when they attract each other yes, it costs them more, let's say, to evaporate, that's why they resist those temperatures more, apart from having polarity. Okay, having those electric charges, as I say, of different polarity, they also adhere to metal surfaces, then it will be plus time on a metal surface, with which, if you start the engine of the vehicle cold, well there will already be oil, there will be more oil, let's say, that if you use other brands, other oils with other different compositions. Okay, then, I already said, it facilitates cold starting and on top of that it better resists high temperatures. Precisely because of the union between the molecules, and in addition those molecules also attract the impurities that are in the engine due to wear, due to the operation it wears out. Impurities are also released, especially metallic, they attract them and then with the movement they end up depositing them in the oil filter, more effectively than other oils, well and aside. This is usually used more in high-performance engines or engines, especially large displacement engines. Also it is widely used in motorcycles, especially 2-stroke and 4-stroke motorcycles, too, with large displacement. Okay, people do not usually use this additive much. Sometimes due to ignorance, it will be necessary to hand you watch this video and don't know or have never heard of this, but it's also because it's a more expensive oil, let's say, than other oils. Well, there you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.